Ahead of the upcoming Indian Lok Sabha elections, Indian troops have initiated a fresh wave of house raids, crackdowns, harassments, and arrests in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, civil society members, observers, and lawyers in Srinagar talking to the media have highlighted that the ongoing house raids conducted by the Indian forces have resulted in the arrest and summoning of hundreds of the youth, the peace activists, and the freedom-loving individuals from occupied Kashmir. BJP government has ordered 6 students from Afghanistan and 1 from the East Africa to vacate their rooms in the Gujarat University hostel due to overstaying in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, this action follows week after some foreign students were assaulted by Hindutva BJP RSS militants for offering namaz on the premises of the Gujarat University. Intensifying the brutal policy of confiscating properties of the Kashmiris on one pretext or another, the Modi regime has declared 8 people as proclaimed offenders in the Baramulla district. According to Kashmir Media Service, 3 people have been asked to appear before the court within 1 month, failing which their properties will face attachment. Narendra Modi-led Indian government's decision to include the abrogation of Article 370 in the school curriculum has sparked controversy, with critics alleging an attempt to manipulate the history regarding the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, India's National Council of Educational Research and Training, operating under the Ministry of Education, has introduced the revised curriculum updates. Rashtriya Seva Bharatiya, an NGO associated with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, is running a network of around 1,250 schools in occupied Kashmir to impart the Hindutva teachings to the Kashmiri children. According to Kashmir Media Service, the informal school education is promoting a Hindu agenda among the Kashmiri Muslim students. Raja Parvez Ashraf, Central Punjab President of Pakistan People's Party, gave strong reaction to the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's statement regarding the cross-border assassination of Pakistani citizens. According to Kashmir Media Service, the PP leader in a statement said India is the only country in the world where election campaigns are conducted based on the hostility towards Pakistan.